Hey class, today we are going to use a digital tool called PeopleGo to learn about animal habitats. A habitat is the natural environment where an animal lives. It provides the animal with everything it needs to survive, such as food, water, shelter, and the right climate. For example, if you have pets, if you have a little dog or a cat or maybe a fish, then the habitat will be your house, or in case of the fish, it will be a fish tank. Okay? Well, what is PeopleGo? PeopleGo is a research website made for young learners, just like you. It includes short articles, images, and audio that reads the text aloud. This makes it easy to use for everyone. The articles are organized by topics like animal science and social studies. Today, we will be focused on the animals section and then explore the habitats category. First, I will demonstrate how to use PeopleGo. I will open the website, click on the animal section, then select habitats. When I choose a habitat, such as the desert, I can see an article with a short description, images, and a play button. If I click the play button, the article will be read aloud. This feature helps us follow along and understand better. Also, it helps us with our listening skills. Each of you will work with a partner to choose one habitat to research. You will read or listen to the article and write down at least three important facts about your chosen habitat. You will use a note taking sheet to organize your information. These facts should describe the animals that live there, the climate, and how the animals adapt to their environment. After you gather your information, you and your partner will create a short project. You can make a simple poster or a digital slide that shows what you learn. Include at least three facts and one drawing or picture. Your project should be neat, organized, and easy to read. Okay? At the end of this lesson, you will present your poster or slide or whatever you want to do to the class. You will explain what habitat you research, what animals live there, and how they survive. Your classmates will listen and learn from your presentation. Okay? During this activity, you will practice your research skills, learn to work with a partner, and use technology to find and share information. I am going to be walking around to help you if you have any question or need support using PeopleGo. Okay? Any doubts? No? Well, okay. Then, the objectives of today is that you will use the PeopleGo to research an animal habitat. You will record and organize factual information about the habitat. You will create a visual object project such as a poster or a slide to present their findings. Okay? And you will share their work and give feedback to the other classmates that you have around here. Okay? Now, we will demonstrate basic digital literacy and collaboration skills. Okay? Well, before we start with this, I want you to think about a dog. Where does the dog live, and why do you think that animal can live there? And why not maybe a cow can live there? Okay? Now, briefly, we are going to be discussing how animals need specific environments to survive. For example, maybe the dog can live in the house because it is more domestic, it is a little dog, or maybe there are bigger ones, but not as big as a cow, for example. So, when we have a small dog, we can provide him with food because there are synthetic food that are the special food for the dogs. And the same goes to the cats or maybe the fish. But for example, we have farm animals that we have already learned about them. Why can't we have farm animals like cows, horses, or maybe chickens around our house? Because they need a special habitat, they need a special environment so that they can feed themselves, they can also take care of themselves because they are such independent animals. For example, the cow needs grass to eat. What if you don't have grass for a cow? What if you don't have a big garden for the cow or the horse? Also, the horse needs to be free, needs to run because they are huge. They are big animals, and they need to run. They need to gallop and all that stuff that are for horses. Okay, so let's get started with our research, and later on we will be moving with your presentations. Okay, good luck to everyone. I will be going around you, but if you have any questions, you can raise your hand and I will go with you in a minute. Okay, well, let's get started.